In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off your DJI drone. Now, before I get into the video, I just want to say, please make sure you watch the video the whole way through and pay close attention to ensure you get every step correct. And also, if you do find this video helpful, then please be sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below that it did help you so that other people can watch this video as well and get the same advice. So let's get right into the video. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is turn on the drone. And you can see the drone is actually turned on now because the lights are shining and it's just made that sound. So to turn it off, it's actually really simple, and you turn it off the exact same way that you turn it on. So what you want to do is you want to tap the button and then hold it, and it should turn off. So like this, tap, hold, and any second now it should turn off. Cool. So I've let go of it and it's now turned off like that. That's basically how you do it. If you have any questions, then leave them down below. Or if this video did help you, then make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helps you so other people can watch the video. Thank you for watching.